Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the CMC broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select CMC Markets and click on Go to Website. You enter the website, click on the Start Trading section. Select your country and then click on Get Started. In the next section, you enter your email address and password. And I recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering the information, you select your platform and then click on Continue. In the next step, you select your account type and click on Create your account. And then a 6-digit code is sent to your email, which you click on. CMC Markets, after logging into your email, copy this code and paste it in this section. After entering the code, you click on Verify. Your account has been created and you click on Login Now. You log into your account, but please note that your account is in demo mode. To have a live account, you need to click on this option, Open a live account, and then click on Apply Now on the left side of the page. In the next step, you select your country, platform, account type, and the currency you will be working with, and click on Next. And then you enter your title, last name, and your mobile phone number. After entering the information, you click on Next. In the third step, you provide your date of birth, nationality, whether you have another nationality, if you are a US citizen, and if you pay taxes in another country or location. After answering these 3 questions, you click on Next, and then you enter your full address along with the postal code, and click on Next. In the 6th step, you enter your current employment status, and then click Next. In the 7th step, you enter information about your financial background and then click Next. Then in the 8th step, you enter information about your trading experience and finally click Next. Then you confirm the website's terms by checking the box and click Submit. As you can see, on the left side of the page, your live account has been created. But to work with the CMC website, you need to upload a document such as an ID card, passport, etc. Good luck.